Hey my lovely friends, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. It's your good friend Kish and I'm so glad to have you here. As you can see, I made these succulent hot honey chicken wings. Honey, let me tell you, they flew right off that plate and into my mouth. Alright, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support towards my channel. I greatly appreciate all the love and I hope that you continue to support me by subscribing to my channel, liking the videos, and sharing it with your friends. If you guys are interested in a short little mukbang, that will be at the end of the video where you see me eat these wings. Okay, now let's get into making these chicken wings. So first we start with some freshly washed chicken wings and we're just going to pat them dry with some paper towel. And then we're going to coat that with some olive oil so that our seasonings could stick nice to them. And of course, you know the drill. I start with my garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. I added some ginger powder to this. You know, the Tony's Creole seasoning. I'll also be adding some Cajun seasoning to this. You already know that all the seasonings that I used will be linked in the description box below if you want to make this at home for yourselves. Now that our chicken wings are well seasoned to your liking, we're going to be sprinkling some baking powder on that. That will help to give the chicken a nice crisp. Just going to rub that in and get it all seasoned up. Next, we're going in with a roast pan that has a rack on it, and we're just going to lay out our chicken wings nice and decently and in order. Then I went ahead and sprayed some olive oil on the top of the chicken wings. And I put my oven on air fry. You could do this in the air fryer or you could set your oven on air fry. Now I'm going to go on ahead and make the sauce that I'll be putting on the chicken wings. And we're going to start with some good old butter. And we're just going to let that melt, stir it until it melts. And then I'm going in with some gochujang, Korean spice chili paste. This thing gives it a great kick of flavor. And we're just going to stir it until it looks like that. And to that, we're going to add the honey because it's hot honey, okay? And we're just going to give that a mix. Also, I added some Thai chili sweet sauce. And I'm just going to season that up a bit with some more Cajun and chili powder. And that should be it for the sauce. You give it a nice stir until it thickens up just like that. Beautiful. Now by this time our chicken should be out of the oven. It's been in there for about 20 minutes on each side. We're just going to put those back in a pan. And now we'll be adding our sauce to the chicken wings. We're just going to go ahead and give those chicken wings a nice spin around, bring around the rosy, stir them up, shake them up, and get the sauce all over them. And then I'll be putting these back in the oven for about another 10 minutes so that the sauce could stick to them, okay? And now as you can see, it's time to plate them. Alright, they're looking so good. There you have it. Just putting one final one on there. Oop, there you go, another one. And then I pour the rest of sauce that I had left over on that. Look at that, so juicy, just glorious. Like, I am hungry. I'm hungry right now. I am. Okay. Sprinkle on top of that some parsley, just for a pop of color, and a bit of dried pepper flakes, just for garnishing and pretty looks, okay? Woo! I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Not even joking. Yes, I'm drooling. Those chicken wings were so delicious. Just look at them. You can't tell me that you're not drooling right now. So these chicken wings are so good, they're about to fly off the plate. You heard me? Okay. They're so tasty. I went ahead and had a sneak peek. Of course I tasted it, like, come on, seriously. And it's really great. So tasty, delicious. The sauce is just sticking to it. It's just delicious. And of course, I've gone ahead and pair these chicken wings with some sweet potato fries, okay? Because why not? Let's just make the whole meal. Nobody's getting hurt from that. And some chipotle sauce that I have here that I made myself. So let's take a dip of fries. I don't know if people have a battle between drums and flats. I don't know. I love both of them, okay, because I don't want to have to make a choice. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a flats first. We're just going to dip that in to our sauce. Before I fly away, we need the other part, the drums, okay? So good. Let's dip that in. All right. Now guys, until next time, if you enjoyed the video and you think that these chicken wings are looking really good, okay, give the video a thumbs up for sure. Share it with your friends and family. Definitely subscribe to my channel for more delicious meals to come. I truly appreciate you guys and all your support. Until next time, take care. Bye. God bless. Peace.